So now we understand what the stock market is and what you need in order to start investing your money. Now, your first step is to start creating your Robinhood account, which is one of the brokers that I recommend for you guys to use. I know that the process to opening an account with Robinhood is fairly easy, but I'm still going to create the step-by-step guide just to help you along the way. Hey guys, my name is Charlie Amar, and remember to please like and subscribe to support this channel to let me know that you're interested in me making more of these videos for you. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. You want to take out your phone and go to your app store, and you're going to want to download Robinhood. Now Robinhood is the one that has a little feather, and it's a color blue. I already have mine on my phone, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Once you open it, the first thing you're going to see is a quick introduction. Just says, welcome to Robinhood. If you swipe to the right, you can see a little bit more information, like how they have pretty much, it's free commission, commission free, how much they protect your account, and how it's pretty much easy to access your portfolio and stay on top of your portfolio anytime you want. Now go ahead and click sign up. It's going to ask you for your email, so go ahead and enter your email. The next thing it's going to ask you is for a password. Just create a quick password. Please remember to remember this password and make it a little bit strong. Don't make it too light. This is your account and it's going to hold a lot of your money. Obviously enter in your name, first and last name. Now keep in mind, if you are using a parent or a guardian, remember to use their information, not yours. Otherwise, your application will be rejected. So just try and keep it just based on the person or on you, whoever you're using to make this account. So press continue after you enter your legal name. My internet's being a little slow here. You're going to type in your phone number. This is pretty much a way to verify your account. Put in your date of birth. Again, remember, if you're not using yours, put in your parents or guardians if you're under 18. Residential address. So it is going to ask for your address. Go ahead and type that in, and it will kind of have a little pop-up with a suggestion. I'll go ahead and click on the one that corresponds to me the best. Go ahead and press continue. And obviously your citizenship, go ahead and put that in. Majority of you will probably put United States. Verify your identity. So again, it is going to ask for a social security number. It doesn't affect your credit score. It's not going to do anything like that. So if you're a parent or a guardian, don't worry. It doesn't change anything. It's just to verify your account and pretty much know that you're not like a bot. So go ahead and type in the social security and then press continue. It's going to ask you how much investment experience do you have, and I recommend you do be honest in this section. Go ahead and put not much. I wouldn't put none, just put not much. You kind of already have an idea what it is by this time. And then, are you employed? Go ahead and answer that. I'm just going to put student. I assume most of you will put student. And then, are you or a family member a senior executive or 10% shareholder at a publicly traded company? If you don't understand this question, odds are it's a no. So just go ahead and press no. And same thing for the next one. Just go ahead and press no. It just asks, do you or a family member work for another brokerage? If you don't understand the question, it's not meant for you. So just go ahead and press no. Now, review your application. I do have to make a quick note. It's happened to me before when I've helped some people make their account that it kind of makes them go over their whole process again. So it kind of just reviews it. So it asks to make sure your name is right, your email address is right, your residential address, your social security. So if it makes you repeat all of that, just go ahead and go through it and skim it. And then go ahead and obviously review your application, read all this information. It's very important to be aware of it. And then press submit application. Once you submit your application, you will take about 1 to 3 days, 1 to 3 business days to get accepted. I think it's even happened to me where I've helped people out and they've been accepted the same day. I think the max has been 3 days. So it does depend what day of the week you're doing it and what time and how busy they are. So that's pretty much it. All right, let's say that now you've already been accepted and now you want to link your bank account to transfer money and fund your account. What's the next steps? Pretty much all you have to do is on the bottom right of your Robinhood, click the little profile picture. It's going to open up a few tabs and click the tab that says transfers. Once you click transfers, you'll be opened up to this page and just scroll down and go ahead and press add account. Now you're going to see a bunch of banks. Just go ahead and choose your bank. If you don't find your bank, don't worry. You can scroll down, press more banks, type in your bank's name, and it'll start giving you a process to put in your account and routing number. That's another method of linking accounts. Now, if you do happen to have one of these banks, let's just say you have Chase, it is going to ask you for your Chase's information. So it's going to ask you for your username and your password, and this is pretty much just a safe and fast way to link the accounts. I understand that it might be a little bit sketchy, but trust me, I've been using Robinhood since I started investing and I've never had any issues. They never remove any money without your permission. The only thing they ever do is pretty much transfer money from your account to your portfolio so you can start investing, or vice versa when you want to take money out. That's all it's pretty much used for. So like I said, it's pretty safe, and that's it. You'll be connected and you'll be ready to go, start transferring your money, and you may or you may not have instant access to your cash. So if you have came this far along, you have successfully opened up and signed up a Robinhood account. Now, the next step is to start buying stock. But don't get ahead of yourself, because you still have to understand how Robinhood works. I'm going to try my best to make a Robinhood tutorial to show you pretty much the platform, and you can understand where everything's at, and you can start buying your first stock. Once you understand Robinhood and you finish that tutorial, you may skip it, you may not. I mean, Robinhood isn't that complicated to understand, but some of you really like to have a step-by-step guide. It's pretty much now understanding what stocks to invest in, like how do you start creating a watch list. And in the next videos, you will come across one that I'm going to start showing you how to create your watch list, how to look for stocks, how to scan for stocks. There's thousands and thousands of stocks out there, and I'm going to help you narrow that list down so you can start investing.